So if you're using Bigtreetech H2 series extruder, you need, and your extruder is clicking, that means to say when it's printing there are clicking sound, and then in extreme conditions you might find that you have an extrusion problem, right? The main issue here on top of the software problems that you might have, right, is the possibility of mechanical failures like this. Now once you open up, right, you can see this part. This extruding gear, right, has actually let me just zoom in more if you can see this, right, has actually wear itself so much, right, that it's into the original metal. You see that piece is missing. So when the gear goes in, right, it is not able to turn at all. As such, it causes a clicking and extrusion issue. So apparently if you have this problem, you either have to change the extruder or ask for replacement parts from Bigtreetech to fix this.